Hi, I'm going to show you how is the Swedish store named Willy look like in Sweden. So this is Willy, the store. We're gonna go inside and I'm gonna show you everything. It is food store, it is grocery store. I'm gonna get one of these baskets and let's start with veggie. Let me tell you the price. This eggplant cost $9.90, mean $1 for one eggplant. One whole dollar for one eggplant. Orange cost $2 per kilogram. It is not pound, kilogram. I'm not sure how many pound is that, but 2 kilogram cost $4. 2 kilogram. 1 kilo costs $2. Spanish costs $2 for one bag. $2. So let's start with bakery here. They have this Spanish whatever. It is so delicious. When I come here, I buy all of this. Every time I come, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. I'm gonna buy all. I know I shouldn't touch it, but I'm gonna buy whole. This is why I touch all. And the price is $1.69. $1.69. If you are wondering how much one donut costs in Sweden, I will show you. For 4 donuts cost $3. One donut cost, so $3 for 4. $3. 4 donuts for $3. So how much this costs? I don't know. God damn it. I don't know how to calculate. It say one donut cost 99 cents. It's almost $1 for one donut. But I'm not gonna buy it because I am almost fat. I like this bread. This bread costs $1. Instead of buying one donut, I'm gonna buy one bread, so I can save money too. Cheese. Let's say this one. How much? $2.40 for how many? 6. $2.49. Let's see how much the milk cost. Milk cost, this kind of milk cost $2.65 American dollar. I like to buy this yogurt, cost $3.90 for one. I mean, the price is not bad. Comparing to US, same to me. I don't know. We'll see how much the egg costs. These egg cost I don't know. I don't see the price for these. It's around $6-7. I'm not sure. Oh, right here. Almost $6. Let's see cat food and dog food. This is dog food. If you have a dog, this costs almost $6.70. This whole treat. chicken stick. Cat litter cost $7 almost. Well, thank you for watching. I'm gonna go check out, and I will see you next time with another video. Please let me know in the comment section below what kind of video should I make for next one. Thank you so much. Bye.